Huh?
I'm kidding you. I'm not gonna.
But you guys are gonna leave it anyway.
Yeah.
Guys, can you guys bend the wheel that way?
You're strong. You're stronger. Come on.
No.
We need your help. Paige,
That's probably
Paige is
why,
strong.
because there's a string stuck in it. Right there.
There's a string stuck. No, there's not.
Come on, Paige is coming.
No, it's not that. It doesn't matter if the string's there or not.
Paige is stronger than all.
We're doing a electric scooter repair.
Not as strong as Noah.
That's funny. I know they're never going to fix it because it's steel.
So Noah, you hold it while she. You guys need the mechanic to get in there. He's not
Chief
strong.
Sharpa?
Chief Sherpa. It's a new one.
Okay. Noah, hold the wheel.
Come on here. No, you have to hold it while Noah bends it.
No.
Yeah.
Noah, hold the wheel in place. Crazy stuff.
You guys need the mechanic. You guys need the mechanic to get in there.
My dad could fix
Hold up. There's like a
He's
little
a
bolt
mechanic.
here.
but like he's at work.
But dude, why do you need?
I'm a
Watch,
mechanic.
I can ride this.
No. No, it's
Do you guys
electrical.
need the
No,
real?
dude, it's electrical. You have to balance it like
Noah.
all the time. It's going 10 miles per hour. It's gonna be harder. It's not one of those regular ones like that.
Let me try.
Easy to
Noah.
control.
Let me try.
No.
Noah,
No. You're not trying. Come on. Off.
take off.
Sorry.
Hello. My dad could probably fix it, but he's at work
I'm
right
gonna
now.
put it in.
Where's Liam's phone?
What are you talking about?
The phone I handed you. Took it.
Again?
He's gonna get your phone. Hurry up. Don't let her.
I know a guy who can fix this.
I'm a mechanic.
The car is coming out of the driveway.
He's not coming to this driveway, is he? I can kind of work with it. I know this thing really well. So I can
I hope you're okay with this, because this electric scooter is going on YouTube.
What are you? What is your YouTube channel exactly about in the first place?
Vlogging. It's a vlogging channel.
So you're basically copying your sister that's making a
No,
vlogging channel.
she said she quit her channel.
She did?
Yeah.
I started it like 3
She
hours.
kind of failed at it.
Wait, Maddie, Cheyenne, didn't I start this like 3 hours ago?
It's really hard turning, but going straight should be relatively easy.
Hey Alex, say hi to YouTube.
Noah, can I try that? Oh my God, he's got it.
Hi, peoples. I am the future. I am the future Burn. I am future Burnksby Gaming.
Yeah, you can say that now because
In the future.
the last video you said that, didn't you? Yeah, I lost all that footage. It's dead now.
Get out of here.
Yeah, so I made like a hour-long vid. Yeah, I made like an hour-long video, and phone died, but I didn't realize it was at 5% because this phone, once it's 5%, the video stops and deletes. So I'm just failing, like running around and doing all sorts of crazy stuff. I just forgot about it now, but I really